Okay, so the first thing you do is to go to your desktop and double click the Corel X7 icon you installed, previously installed. I'm not going to go through the installation process, that kind of takes unnecessary time. So you install the Corel X7 and then you double click the icon on your desktop or start menu, wherever it is. Then it opens this interface for you. This interface where you say you get started, new document. Normally it starts with, should be here. Here. Yes, this is what it starts with. If you open or you just newly opening Corel Draw, you just open it for the first time, this is what you are going to see here that says workspace. So you are going to click get started. And then you will see new documents, different templates, open recent. You're not going to see anything under recent if you're just installing it for the first time, because you can see recent here because I've previously been working on different jobs, which is why you can see recent, but yours is going to be blank. Now you click on new documents, then you get this dialog box. Then you can here under name, you can rename your document. Let's go with NeoOrbis tutorial. NeoOrbis Corel graphics tutorial. Okay, destination size. On that size, you can click custom or select from any of the many sizes, preset standard sizes here. A1 to A6 down to business card down to, or if you know the specific size you're going to be working with, you can set it. For me, I usually set a custom size because I know the specific size I'm working with. So now let's just go with standard A4. A4 is just like your plain sheet of paper, like your white printing paper, the one people use for printing or photocopying materials. If you've done that, that's A4 size, just white plain sheets of paper. So I usually prefer inches. You can go with any unit of measurement you like. Why I prefer inches is it's easier to look at for me. Just personal preference. You can have your own. Then on that number of pages, you can set any number of pages you want. Let's say page 1. Primary color mode RGB, red, green and blue, and CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow and black. RGB is usually done if you are designing a document or a work that is going to be mainly for internet and social media postings and advertisements, no printing jobs, that's for RGB. But CMYK, if you are going to print, or if you are going to print the job, you are going to have to choose CMYK. It's better. So for this one, I don't want to print, so I'm going to choose RGB. Then when you are done with all these settings, you click OK, and then it opens your new document and tab or page, and this is our workspace. This is our document workspace here. From this you have here, you have the ruler for mostly for precise measurements. Or if you drag from the top here, drag, you see it keeps going, is for just getting precise measurements of what you want, so your work will be symmetrical, not scattered and hard to look at. You can also drag from here down to the center here. 4. Now here is 0 to 8, so the half is 4. So by doing this, I already shared the page into 4 equal parts, 4 rectangles from one giant rectangle. Now if you click on that, come to the middle where it shows this arrow with 2 edges, click on that and you press delete on your keyboard. Delete, click on the other one, you press delete on your keyboard and it is gone. So that's it. So first I'm going to introduce you to the toolbox. This part where the mouse is hovering or the cursor is hovering over is the toolbox. It starts from the pick tool where you can select or position or transform objects. We are going to be seeing how that works, but just introduction for now. The arrow under every icon is a downward facing arrow under every icon. It expands the toolbox to make you see all the other tools that are grouped or categorized along with that one. Now if you click that downward arrow, you can see it opens a flyout box. or you fly out, you see pick tool. This is the pick tool. You see the freehand pick and the free transform. Now if you click it just like that without, yes, you see I click like it's like I clicked at this center. Now there is no fly out, but if you click at that downward arrow, you see the fly out. You can select any of these ones you want. You click on the downward facing arrow, you can free transform. This one is for moving. You find use when we start working. Now let's go back to pick 2. Click on the downward facing arrow. Pick 2. I need a better surface for my mouse.